And I wonder, just thinking to my fucking self. I told Justin to close his eyes. Picture yourself as successful, a rap star, moving the world, getting the girl money to blow. Said I'm sorry, then I blew his brains out. Semi-auto lives along with justice, lust, goals, and demons. Money, blood, and boule. That shit, breakfast to us. It's a rap game that bites me in. That will be my dinner with Michelle. Oh damn, came back to reality. It's hell, and I am a beast. Hunger of a giant when I come to the feast. Dark prince of the east. I'm not soft, I'm a motherfucker dealer. I'm in the streets. I got niggas ready to 4, 5, 6 me. Humans who keep distance, and I just wonder if you know what it feels like to accomplish my dreams. Fuck love, fuck respect, I want the bright light photo shoot. Prostitute, that's cute. Paparazzi trying to check when I'm screwing. TMZ, how much money I done blew them. Taking with Zoe Tragic, pulling out the East Baker. Females no longer say they taking. When the only problem is it coming or going because kids and homeless. Let's have a party just because it's my own club. Money, blood, demons, so fuck the fear. Put my head on the still. Put a sword through it for a fucking meal. For a status like Kanye. Beyonce on my J. Fuck Z. Come Dracula, little nigga, I don't need sleep. Too much money to get, power in it. It's so many needs, but I'm the only one who don't give a fuck like me. Send me out of wooded by the demons. Y'all niggas don't wanna see this. I go on top for real, and these niggas only talk too much for real. And I need a deal, man.